how to buy Shiba on Coinbase Pro step by step right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Captain NU is going to help you today because I know you want to buy some Shiba on Coinbase Pro. Now, when you click on the link below, you'll sign up for your free account, and then after that, you'll come to a page that looks just like this. Now, the first thing after you sign up your free account, when you click on the link below, you want to click on Select Market on there and type in Shiba. Now, I'm going to use Shiba USD. Now, the next thing you want to go ahead and do, we want to be able to deposit an amount of actually Shiba that we want to get. So we'll put a dollar amount of how much we want in the deposit to be able to get our Shiba. So I'm going to click on deposit and I'm going to look for USD, right? Now, the next thing is here, I've got a couple of options of how I can actually make this transaction. I can transfer funds instantly from Coinbase.com to Coinbase Pro. So if I've got some USD or some stuff over there, I can transfer to Coinbase Pro. I can wire transfer, or here's one of the most common ways, is just to deposit it from your bank account. If I click on here, and if I say, yeah, I'm going to do $15, right? So I can place that deposit. My bank account goes right to my default portfolio, my Coinbase Pro, and I'll preview that deposit. And right now it's saying that you can trade your USD instantly while we wait for your funds. So that's really cool. So it's happening instantly, available to withdraw 5 days. Deposit of USDT. Deposit USD. So I click on done, and now I have $15 worth of USD to be able to make this trade to get the Shiba. So the next thing I want to do is go down to it says buy and sell. I'll click on market and I'll just literally click on the $15. That's the fee amount, which is 8 cents, and this is the total amount of Shiba that I will be getting. Let me zoom in a little bit. Place the order. Success. Instantly success. So then now it's successful on there. So then I'll move this over here. I'll go under portfolio. And now I see my Shiba is already there. So I made a transaction earlier today for about, $24 to $25. So I have that in there. And so my deposit is already there. And here's the $15 that it just did. It shows all the information in terms of that transaction. And this is the deposit what we did earlier today. We have no withdrawals at this time, and available balance is $39.80, basically worth a Shiba Inu. And right here, it shows you exactly how much Shiba I have in available quantity. And here's the balance of the Shiba and 100% of holding in terms of my Coinbase Pro portfolio. So it's really simple and easy to do. So then from there, you can go back and make another transaction. If you use a Shiba USD, make sure you deposit money in there, and that way, or deposit any type of funds in there. That way you can go ahead and buy Shiba or anything else on Coinbase Pro and enjoy your default portfolio today. Yes, so it's exciting time Shiba on Coinbase Pro. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Yes, so here it says daily withdrawal limited use. It's got basically, I have not withdrawn anything, and I can only withdraw up to $250,000. So I'll see you in the next video. The next video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your Shiba to Coinbase Pro or from Coinbase Pro. So we're going to show that in the next video. So stay tuned. I'll see you on the next video. Click on the link below, sign up for your Coinbase Pro or your Coinbase.com account, and I'll see you next time.